So, today we're going to talk about collective nouns. And collective nouns we know are things like a couple, family, a team, etc. Okay? A collective noun is always followed by a plural verb. This can be confusing in Catalan and Spanish sometimes to understand this concept. But anyways, I'm going to give you an example. My girlfriend's family are fantastic. I mean, that might be a bit overstated in some cases, but you catch my drift. So, if we talk about a group of individuals and use it as a collective noun, we always follow it with a plural verb, okay? You do not say, for example, the members of my girlfriend's family are fantastic, okay? It's a bit long and you don't need the word members there. So, if we use a singular verb or a plural verb with a collective noun, it may change the meaning slightly. And I'm going to give you an example. So take Girona football team, okay? So we can say, Girona, as the football team, were champions of La Liga 2 a few years ago. But if we take Girona as the club itself, we could say Girona was founded in 1930. So, there you go. Have a good one.